If you're tired of scrambling to make posts at the last minute, automation is your answer. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to avoid last-minute posting and make your life a lot easier with a simple automation setup. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share a free trial to the software we'll be using exclusively for you, the viewers of my channel. First, let's talk about why last-minute posting is such a problem. It's stressful, inefficient, and can really hurt the quality of your content. If you're doing everything manually, you're constantly at the mercy of time, deadlines, and unforeseen distractions. But the solution? Simple automation. It helps you schedule your posts in advance so you're not racing against the clock. Now the key here is finding the right tool that works for you. And after testing out a variety of popular options, I found that this software, which I'll be showing you today, really stands out. It's easy to set up, intuitive, and helps you schedule everything ahead of time. You'll never have to worry about that panic when you realize you're running out of time to post. Here's how you can get started. First, sign up for the software and connect your social media accounts. This takes just a few minutes. Once you're in, navigate to the scheduling section. You'll see a calendar where you can choose when you want your post to go live. Instead of posting at the last minute, plan your content ahead of time and set it to auto-publish on the desired dates. One of the best things about automation tools like this is that they allow you to set up recurring posts. This means, for example, if you're posting daily, you can set your content to repeat each week, saving you a ton of time. Plus, you can adjust the timing, ensuring your posts go live at the most optimal time for your audience. I highly recommend taking advantage of this software's features like post scheduling, multi-platform posting, and content management. What makes this tool especially useful is its ability to track analytics. You'll get a detailed report on how your posts are performing, which helps in tweaking your strategy and ensuring your content is reaching the right people. Here's the best part. If you want to follow along and get started with automation yourself, you can take advantage of an exclusive free trial I've arranged for you. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check out the link in the description below. Key takeaway: don't let last-minute posting stress you out. Automation is the key to saving time and improving the quality of your content. With the software we've covered today, you can schedule posts in advance, set recurring posts, and manage your content with ease. Quick recap. Use the scheduling features to plan your posts ahead of time. Take advantage of the recurring post option, and check the link below for that exclusive free trial. Remember, automation is your best friend when it comes to avoiding last-minute posting. Before you go, don't forget to grab that free trial linked in the description. It's exclusive to you, the viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it while you can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.